Operational technology.
Ooh.
Oh, big topic.
It is a big topic.
Yeah.
These are the systems that run like
Everything,
pretty much, right?
Yeah. I mean, the stuff we don't think about, right?
Yeah.
Like all the critical infrastructure, power grids, factories, hospitals.
I mean, when was the last time you thought about what happens when you, like, flip a light switch?
Never.
Right. Like, where's that electricity coming from?
Or like when you get a snack from a vending machine.
Right. Like, how did it even get there?
All of those chips and candy bars.
It's magic.
Right.
Yeah, but it's not magic.
No, it's not magic.
Yeah. It's OT. And it's pretty vulnerable, honestly.
Increasingly vulnerable, I'd say, yeah.
Yeah.
Much more so than it used to be. Right, and the sources we dug into for this, they're pretty clear about that.
Yeah, it's not a rosy picture.
Not at all. Not at all.
It's a little scary, honestly.
It is.
When you think about it.
So, okay, we keep saying vulnerable, right?
Yeah.
But, what does that actually mean? Give us an example.
You remember that Colonial Pipeline attack back in 2021?
Vaguely.
Yeah, so basically, one password got compromised and bam, ransomware attack.
No way.
Oh, yeah.
A whole pipeline.
A major fuel pipeline shut down for days.
Oh, wow.
People freaking out, gas shortages all up and down the East Coast. Yeah.
And this is all because we went digital, right? Before it was all analog, it was fine.
Well, I mean, yeah, digital transformation, it's great. It brings progress and efficiency and all that. But it's like we opened up this whole new can of worms. And to really grasp the vulnerability, we got to understand what these systems are.
Okay, yeah, let's break that down a little.
So we're talking ICS, industrial control systems, right?
Right.
These are the things running power plants, factories, all those big processes.
Got it, yeah.
Then you got PLCs, programmable logic controllers.
What do those do?
Think of them as the brains behind the machines, It's a lot.
Okay, so we've got all these systems and they're vulnerable.
Yeah.
But how do they actually get attacked?
So it can be something as simple as a weak password, right?
Yeah.
But it's often way more sophisticated than that.
Like what?
Okay, so spear phishing.
Spear phishing. Sounds intense.
It is.
So what, a super targeted scam?
Exactly, yeah.
So those emails that look like they're from your bank.
Exactly, but instead of your bank account, it's like a power grid.
Uh-oh.